Have you ever wondered why most of the teachers of nursery classes are women? Because women have the highest amount of patience level. And this is not funny because this characteristic of women turns out to be the biggest enemy of women itself. Due to their highest patience level, they start taking care of their health at very last stage. तब तक बहुत ज़्यादा देर हो चुकी होती है. A woman's body is much more complicated than men. A woman has to go through various stages throughout her lifetime. It is pre-pregnancy, post-pregnancy, pre-marriage and post-marriage. Automatically, a woman's body needs a lot of good nutrients to deal with any sort of health issues. It's your health and you're going to pay for it. So I recommend you to do some homework. Number 1. Shortlist any 4 to 5 products of this brand. Number 2. Check the nutritional value, nutritional claim on the label of this product. Number 3. Check the name and relevant details of the manufacturer.
So I shortlisted this Ronguvita multivitamin for women for a couple of reasons. This has more than 35 nutrients which includes vitamins, minerals, amino acids, for joints, for bones, women beauty blends, digestive blends, etc. And I see it's durable. The bottle is hard. Also, it is packed in a mono carton for safety. And as you all can check the labeling, it looks really premium. The manufacturer of this product, as they have 20 years of expertise in this field and are selling their products in 20 different countries.
This product may look costlier, but if you're going to compare this with all the unhealthy things that you're eating, you're gonna find this very economic. In case you're taking any multivitamin for the first time, then I would suggest you to not take it daily, even if the product label tells you to do so. The reason why I recommend this is your body needs some time to adapt new changes, and if you do not give it a proper time to adjust, then definitely it will bounce back in the form of indigestion, nausea, upset stomach, etc. Never expect fast results. A fast result will never help you to become PT Usha from a very lazy person. You gotta wait for some time if you want to get some good results. One of the most important things is never change your product frequently. Let it work for you.
Thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye bye, take care and stay healthy.